Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag and where it's from. See if I can hold that. All right, this bag comes from DPClubs. It will be in two parts. This is part one. So we will have cross stitch here. And I was looking, at my other notes, and there should have been a needle holder. There was a hole in my bag about yay big. And it might have been lost along the way. I'm not sure where it went, but I don't think it was the company's fault. But the cross stitches all seem to be there. So we'll start with the first one. And this one is called Lover's Garden. It is $29.42, and it was $8.79. Now, before I get started, if DPClubs has any kind of specials going on, or if I have a discount code or anything like that, I'll put it here, and it'll also be in the description box below. So, let's see what's in the Joy Sunday bag. I thought this was pretty, and it is stamped. 14 count, and it's kind of a partial. You'll see in a minute here. Let me put it comes in the typical Joy Sunday bag with all the instructions on the back. These are lovely, lovely bags. So here is the picture. It says Lovers in Rose Garden. I just thought this was really kind of pretty. So it'll be interesting to see how this all stitches up. It's going to have some back stitching in it. I don't know about any other types of stitches, but we will find out. All right. I'm trying to figure out how come that's the way it is. We've got one other page. So there's the top. And if you turn it around, there's the bottom. But this starts at number 41 full stitch. There's number 1. So there are 62 colors altogether. There are 59 in full stitch, and you have 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 different colors in back stitch. So it's just back stitch and full stitch. So there's no half cross stitch. Was looking to see how big it was, but very nicely printed. The paper pattern will not match the canvas, as we know, because that's as per Joy Sunday. So I'm trying to find out what colors we have here. So we have 310 black. We have no 550 purple. No 823, no 939. I don't think, no. We do have 3371 and 3770. 3770 is the yellowish butter color, and 3371 is the dark brown. So we'll look and see. I don't see any other colors that I recognize right off the bat. There's no bright reds. There's kind of a brick red, which is 902. So we'll just have to play along and see how it goes. Ooh, there's even Kreinik, but it doesn't list it. Well, Kreinik type does come with 2 needles. The product number is there. There are 3 thread cards. So the first one we have your 3371 and another brown. Let me just take it apart. And this is so weird. There's 58 and 59, so I don't know where that, and it's not, quite odd, quite odd. There's 58 and 59 here, and it's a 5282 and 5283. So maybe we're going to put those in there somewhere. Let me look. That will be interesting because I need about 10 times what they gave me. I don't see anything that would be shiny. That's odd. It's a hashtag and a money sign. And it's up here with the regular stitching. And 58 is down here with purple. So let's look this way. Maybe it's her things on her dress. So you don't need much. I don't see any. Oh, I see. It is on her dress. Do you see that? There. I'll try to get one closer. Right where my finger is. There's a money sign there. And there's a hashtag in between each one of the little, we'll call them flowers, on her dress. That's different. Huh. Never got a kit like that. Back to the colors. We got lost down the chronic hole. So I don't know what the difference is between each of them. There sure is not a whole bunch. And no instructions on quite how to use it. I think they're all 6 strand. And you would do that last. I would, because I wouldn't want my hands rubbing against it and messing it up. So very nice colors, very lovely. Kind of autumn kind of tones, if you will. There is some like rose colors and lights and a rose color here. And some greens. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see how that all comes out. Okay, let us look over here. At the canvas is all nice and smooth and soft. And of course we have a piece of thread. But let's turn it the right way. So it's not very big. It is serged all the way around. All your regular colors, all your regular colors are across here. And then they go all the way down here to the end. And then on this side, these are all your back stitching colors. So yeah, I think it's pretty. And it was just different. And very clear and easy to see. We'll hold it as still as humanly possible. But very nicely done. You just start from the top and work your way down. I'm not real sure where I would start. Oh, here it is. I was looking for how big it is. It's 119 by 187. So let's have a measure. Hang on, we gotta move things around here. Hang on. Oh, we have an escapee. One of my magnets was laying down there from the backs of my, oh my goodness, really? Back of my needle, no, the needle threader things. You know, the ones I use for, as a needle minder. Okay, 42.5 centimeters. Or about 16 3/4 that way. This way it is, give or take, about 11.5 or 29 centimeters. The actual picture size is, almost 8.5 or 21.5 centimeters by a little over 13.5 or 34.5 centimeters. So very nice. Very nice. I like this. And I think it'll be easy to stitch. I don't think that the back stitching is going to be overpowering. It's just going to be getting it into the right place, you know. But I think it'll be beautiful with that shiny thread. So yeah, I can hardly wait to start that. Oh yeah. So we have another one. And this one was $12.79. Let me get it out of its bag. Okay, I am back. So as you can see, it is another one in the series of the spring, summer, autumn, I think it says, and winter. So this is the summer one. I will put a picture here because this is a terrible picture. But I just thought they're just so pretty. I just like them. Hang on, I'm going to move everything over. Give me a second. Okay, so it has a big pattern. Terrible picture, but big pattern. It is 40 by 60. It's 148 by 234. Does have the instructions, just like on the back of Joy Sunday. 32 colors. Very nicely printed pattern. I'm not seeing smudging. Sorry. My light is just being a pain today. No smudging, no smearing. Same on the other side. This one says summer right down the middle. And it's all in greens. I think the last one was in browns. The name, I mean, was in browns or greens. So what colors do we have? We have no 310 black, no 550 purple, no 823, no 939, because it's kind of a lighter picture. And 3770 and 3865 are the only two numbers that I know. And it looks like it could have some bigger areas, some little pools of color, and then some confetti for the definition. But yeah, I think it's going to be fine. So I will put this one away until, say, June. So I'll have them each in their own bag. And when June comes, I will start on summer. We'll get spring as far as we can. And then autumn, say in September, October, we'll pull that out. And then, say, November to December, January, we'll have winter. So, when we get them all. So, this kit also comes with a toolkit. 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And, trying... I don't know if you can see that little yellow. It's so light. I don't have... Maybe I do. I do. There you go. Now you can see that little blossom. So, yep, I love those little toolkits. I mean, they've saved my life so many times you have no idea. Because getting needles is a piece of work. Well, we don't want to look at the canvas yet. Let's look at the threads. Now, paper pattern will match the canvas and the thread bag. So let's check that. 6385, 6385, and 6385 for the canvas. So that means that everything matches. Let me get this out of its bag. Okay, I am back. So you have some purples, some, oh, that looks like a faded jean color. We got roses in 2 different shades, yellows, pale green, kind of a dark magenta, all different shades. And then you have 3865, 3770. There's a lot of that because it's the background. Then you have some muted greens and pinks. So very nicely done. I don't know what happened to that little guy. Somebody was trying to jump ship. I'm telling you. Quit it. So very nice colors. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful colors. There is a wad of them. I'm going to crunch All right, let's take a look at the canvas. The canvas is not darkly printed. So, I don't know, sometimes my eyes have a problem with the ones that are darker and more vibrant than they do with these. So, I'm okay with this pale look to it. So, very nicely done. It is serged all the way around. This is the older style canvas. It is nice, and I like it because it crunches so easily and stays crunched. Now, I have some kits where you're working on it, it takes forever for it to get softened up, shall we say. Very nice. Sorry, I needed a drink. Okay, so like I said, it's serged. Let's look at the serging on the edge. It just barely grazes the numbers, but your paper pattern matches, so you will be able to tell just what the number is. And like I said, in the paper pattern, you'll see it as well. But very nicely printed. Let's take a gander and see how big this one is. It is supposed to be 40 by, is it 65? No, 40 by 60. I must have gotten something a little bit ago that was 40 by 65. It's still in my brain, what can I say? So we're at 60 and a half, or 23 3/4 by, 39 centimeters, or a little over 15 1/4 inches. Actual picture size, just shy of 13 1/4, or 33 centimeters, and this way it is 54 1/2 centimeters, or just shy of 21 1/2 inches. And this will be nice to work on in the summer because you can hold it in your lap. It's nice, and it's real lightweight. So I like that part. Of course, you know, it's going to get a little heavier after you start stitching into it and everything, but it's just thinner weighted material. I guess that's what I want to say. But very nicely done. So I will get it in its own bag. I will check off all the numbers and make sure all the colors are there. So we'll have that to work on in, say, June. So that is all that I got for this part 1. Now, DPClubs, thank you DPClubs for these 2 gorgeous kits. Love them. They have diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all those. And I do have a discount code. So the discount code will be at the beginning of the video and also in the description box below. They always have a very nice selection in whatever category that you like. As you know, 95% of the people that watch my channel, I believe, either do embroidery, diamond painting, or cross stitch. So you have a lot to pick from. And service is very nice. I've never had a problem. They always get back to me if there is a problem. So thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.